Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get online jobs at home in Indeed for students. So what you have to gonna do, you have to do open the Indeed app. If it's not installed by Play Store, you can install. So you can also browse that indeed.com and jobs. So you will have to open this Indeed job search. So you can search for this like online. So I will click to this freelancer content copywriter female candidates. So these are the job details. You can read it carefully, and location it will be mentioned, and it will be paid you. It salary also mentioned, so you will have to apply now. So it will be loading. So you will continue with your Google account. So I will connect it with Google account. So I will put my state and city, and so I will click and continue. So I will add my resume for as employer. So this is my resume and I will continue with that. So my job title of experience was receptionist in pharmacist company. So I will click to continue. So it will be submitted my job for this online work. So hopefully it will be notified for me. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.